Beloved, if you're seeking love, this message is for you.
In today's video, I'm going to show you the best 100% free AI tool to create Instagram Reels, quickly, easily, and without needing any editing skills. The tool we'll be using today is called CapCut Web. Just head over to CapCut.com and log in using your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for a feature called AI Video Maker. It's an amazing all-in-one section with 4 powerful tools. But in today's video, we'll focus on just one of them, the Avatar Video tool. Make sure to subscribe because I'll cover the remaining tools in future videos, and trust me, you don't want to miss them. Click on Avatar Video, and you'll instantly see tons of avatar options like Trending AI Generated, Professional Casual, and more. You can even create a custom avatar using your own photo. Now, select an avatar that suits your video style, and then paste your script into the text box. Need help writing a script? You can use ChatGPT to generate one, or write it yourself. For this tutorial, I've already created a sample script using ChatGPT. I'll go ahead and paste it in now. Once your script is in place, double-check the other settings like voice, language, and resolution. Then click Generate. That's it, the AI will start creating your video automatically.
Beloved, if you're seeking love, this message is for you.
Once your video is ready, click on the Export button. You can adjust the final settings here, and then export your video in high quality, ready to post on Instagram Reels. And that's how you can easily create stunning AI-generated Instagram Reels using CapCut Web, totally free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials on the other AI tools inside CapCut. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.